everyone, this is Lana with Lana by Lana Design and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily apply glitter to your project. This is going to be a super easy and a quick video, so stick around and hopefully you will learn something new. I started this little project yesterday and I wanted to add some interest to it, and the easiest way to achieve that was by adding some glitter. Now, there are a lot of ways to add glitter to your projects, and all of them include glitter or some kind of adhesive, double-sided tape, spray glue, regular glue, and so on. The options are endless. But how to add glitter to small and intricate images? For such task, you will need glue pens. The ones that I use all the time, and also I will be using them in today's video, are Quickie glue pens. They're fairly inexpensive and you can buy a pack of 6 on Amazon for just a few bucks. If you are interested in this product or any other product in this video, they're all listed in the description below. Okay, before I start this project, I am going to give you a couple of tips, and I'd like to share the way I like to store my glue pens. First, I like to mark a cap of the one that it's in use. That way, I do not open multiple pens at once. This will definitely prevent that glue from drying. And when I'm done with this pen, I will just replace the cap and so on. Each of these pens come with a little protective cap on their tips. I like to keep them, and when I'm done with using my glue pen, I like to put this cap back on onto the tip of my pen. Again, prevents the glue from drying. And lastly, I always put my pen's tip up. That way I know that the glue will not ooze out. Okay, the glue in these pens is strong. It will definitely hold your paper. But I have to be honest with you guys, I never use them to adhere embellishments such as jewels or crystals or anything that it's heavy or heavier than paper. So I cannot tell you for sure if these glue pens are going to be sufficient for such a thing. If you do know for that reason, if you do know this, please leave a comment. Okay, now let's start with this project. As I said, it is super simple and you do not need a lot of supplies for this. Aside from glue pens, you will need a dry brush to clean up the glitter residue, a dish or a coffee filter in my case to collect glitter, and of course glitter. The glitter that I am using today is Eco Glitter by Hero Arts, and this glitter is fantastic. It is biodegradable, plant-based glitter with no harmful materials. It is good for the environment and it is totally safe to use. If you do not have this kind of glitter, you can use whatever you have in your stash. Any glitter will do. No need to buy anything new. Just please remember, when using this technique, you have to allow your glitter and your glue to dry and glitter to set. It does usually dry in a few hours, but I like to dry it overnight just to be safe. Okay, so let's get to it. I am just going to remove this little protective cap and make sure to keep it in a spot where I can find it later. Okay, and as you can see, all that I'm doing is applying the glue to my images. It is like coloring. The glue comes out easily, but you do have to work fast with these pens because the glue dries fairly quickly. Once done with applying glue, simply scoop your glitter and pour it over your glued image. Flick your paper to remove the excess glitter, brush the residue with a dry brush, and voila, you're done. Continue with the process until you're completely finished. And this scoop that you see is just a piece of scrap paper, nothing too extravagant. And what I like to do, if I remember, is to fill up my scoop before I apply glue to my image. That way the glue does not dry on me. In case you were wondering why I have this masking tape on my work surface, well, that is just a mental reminder for me to stay in frame when filming a video, for I always somehow get out of that frame. I don't know how or why, but this is just for me to just a simple reminder for myself. Anyhow, what I said is just keep repeating your process until you're done with your project. And here, after I'm done, I like to return the remaining glitter back to the bag. That is why my scoop is so pointy, so I can easily funnel the glitter back into the bag. But if you have a little jar with a lid to store your glitter, that would be good too. In fact, that would be ideal. But for now, my coffee filter will do. And that's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to leave a comment or any questions if you have. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Happy Memorial Day and see you soon, everyone. Bye.